Alright folks, let's talk about making money the easy way. Imagine sitting back, relaxing and earning some extra cash without breaking a sweat. We're not climbing mountains here, no need for strenuous activities or exhausting tasks. We're talking about chilling on the couch, maybe in your underwear and making it rain. Picture yourself in your most comfortable clothes, just you and your laptop. With Survey Junkie, that dream can be your reality. It's a platform that turns your downtime into earning time. Survey Junkie is like the Uber of opinions. Just like how Uber connects drivers with riders, Survey Junkie connects you with companies that value your thoughts. Companies need your thoughts, man. They crave consumer insights to improve their products and services. They'll pay you for sharing them. Yes, real money for your genuine opinions. Survey Junkie connects you with these companies and you get paid for every survey you complete. It's that simple. Just log in, fill out surveys, and watch your earnings grow. No, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate way to earn some extra income. But it's an honest way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Think of it as a side hustle that fits into your schedule. We're talking beer money, gas money, maybe even a new game console if you hustle hard enough. So why not give it a try? Turn your opinions into cash with Survey Junkie. Signing up for Survey Junkie is easier than ordering a pizza. Seriously, it's a piece of cake. You go to their website, create a profile, and boom, you're in. Tell them about yourself, your age, your interests, your dog's favorite brand of chew toy, whatever they ask. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of surveys. Each survey tells you how long it takes and how much it pays. Pick one that tickles your fancy, answer some questions, and bam, you just earned yourself some cold, hard cash. Now here's the deal. Not all surveys are created equal. Some pay more than others. Some are more interesting than others. The key is to find the ones that are worth your time. Look for surveys that pay more for your time. It's all about that hourly rate, baby. Also, check out the topics. If you're into cars, find those car surveys. Your answers will be more genuine, and you might even learn something new. Don't be afraid to ditch a survey if it's boring you to tears. Life's too short for that. Just move on to the next one. There are always more surveys popping up like mushrooms after a rainstorm. Section 4. Profile Optimization. Become the Survey King. Listen up, this is important. If you want to maximize your earnings on Survey Junkie, you need to pay close attention to this section. Your Survey Junkie profile is your golden ticket to more surveys and more money. It's not just a formality, it's your gateway to higher earnings. The more complete your profile, the more surveys they'll send your way. Think of it as your resume for survey opportunities. Fill out every single section. Don't leave any stone unturned. Each detail you provide increases your chances of getting more surveys. Be honest, but don't be afraid to spice things up a bit. Make yourself sound interesting. Add a touch of personality to your answers. If they think you're a robot, you're not going to get those sweet survey invites. Authenticity is key, but so is standing out. Think of it like this. You're a comedian, and your profile is your set. Make them laugh. Engage them with your unique flair. Make them want to hear more from you. Your profile should be a conversation starter, something that piques their interest. The more engaging you are, the more those survey dollars will roll in. So take your time, craft a compelling profile, and watch the opportunities flood in. Section 5. Raking in $300 a day. Strategies for success. Alright, let's talk strategy. You didn't come here to mess around. You came here with a goal, a vision, and a determination to succeed. You came here to make that money, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to break it down step by step. First things first, consistency is key. It's not just about working hard, but working smart and regularly. Make it a habit to check Survey Junkie every day. Set a reminder if you have to. Treat it like a part-time job, even if it's just for 30 minutes a day. Every little bit counts. Those small efforts add up over time. Second, multitask like a champ. Use your time wisely and efficiently. Watching the game? Fill out a survey during commercials. Turn those idle moments into productive ones. Waiting for your buddy to get ready? Boom, survey time. Don't let any moment go to waste. You can literally make money anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at the park, in a cafe, or waiting for the bus, every moment is an opportunity. And lastly, don't be afraid to refer your friends. Share the wealth and the opportunity. The more people you refer, the more money you make. It's a win-win situation. Your friends will thank you for it. You get paid and your friends get to join in on the fun. It's a community effort. It's like a survey party. Everyone benefits and everyone has a good time. So let's get started and make that money together.